Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like thief outfit look on Dress to Impress. So just make your look first. This is just like an accessory. Select the apple and you're just going to color it black, and we're going to do rotten to the core. Select a camera and then you're going to select like a notebook. This one, I believe. And then you're going to take the switch as well. Then what else should I take? Let's just go into the dressing rooms, and then we're going to go to the code section. We're going to go to the doll. Let's just do dolly first and see how it goes. And then we're going to also take the bear one. Do the third toggle. I think I'm going to try to find another way to hold the doll here. I'm gonna do default. You can obviously color everything in. Maybe add in like some black gloves. Actually, I'll do that. And then after that, you can use the phone one. And if you want to color the items, you absolutely can. I'm just gonna do that real quick with the iPhone. It's not really showing metallic. Maybe let's do like a glitter one. And then obviously you can color the items to whatever color you want. I'm just going to remove the gloves that I have. Also, you don't need the phone if you don't have VIP, but it's like optional. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That's how you can become a thief on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!